What's up guys, Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab. Today we're going to be talking about how to put an Instagram story widget on your website. So basically we can take your stories from Instagram and place them on your website. So it'll be like a little circle down in the corner, and then when people come to your website they can click your little story circle and it will play your Instagram story on your website. I also want to say thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed to the channel. We're over 8,000 subscribers now, that's incredible. And we're closing in on that 10K mark, so when we get there, I don't even know, that'll be amazing. So thank you guys so much. Let's hop over to the computer.
Okay, so here we are. We're gonna use this widget called Fastory. And obviously there's a few things you need for this to work. You need a website, you need an Instagram account, and you need an Instagram story. But here's what Fastory is saying. You're gonna sync it with your Facebook is synced with your Instagram. I'm assuming you have to have a business profile. And then they're gonna give you some code that you can copy and paste into your website code. And then your stories will just automatically appear on your website. So they actually have this activated right here. This is what it looks like. So let's click on that and see what happens. So you can't hear it because my headphones are in. But basically it's playing through their Instagram stories. That's cool. You can click through it here. So it looks like they have multiple things down here. I'm not exactly sure how that works, but let's go ahead and give it a shot. So I'm just gonna click get your widget. Continue as Andy. Okay. Let's go ahead and try and connect my Instagram account. So synced with my Facebook, I need to select an account, and that will be this one. Validate. I've read and accept the terms. Copy and paste the widget code snippet into each web page on which you want to display the widget. Add the widget code snippet right before the end of the body tag. So here's the code that it gives us, and I'm just gonna hit copy to clipboard. So that's gonna copy that code, refer 3 contacts, and get memories features free. Okay, so it looks like the thing where we saw multiple stories, those circles on the bottom, that's a memories feature. So I don't think we're gonna be getting that. We're just gonna be getting the normal stories. So when you post, your story will be up for 24 hours, and that's what we'll be seeing. So I've copied the code. So here's my website. This is the website we're gonna put this on, or we're gonna try and put this on. Here is my code, and it said we wanna paste that right before the end of the body tag. So let's go ahead and do that. There it is. I'll hit save, and then let's just go ahead and drag this in here. It's uploaded, and we'll hit the refresh button. And there it is. Wow, that was easy. Okay, so let's click on this and see what happens. So here is my actual current Instagram story right now. This is amazing. So there's the first piece. So here's the second piece of content in my story. And here's the third piece of content in my story. And then we can hit the X to close this out. We could click it again to play it again. Cycle through these. If I hit the follow button, that's gonna open up my Instagram account. So obviously I can't follow myself. But that's pretty cool. There it is, that's all you need to do. Just connect it, paste that code into your website, and you're good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the link to my website and to Fastory down in the description below. So you guys can go ahead and check those out if you want, see this live for yourself, see how it works, play around with it. And that's all I got for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll try and answer those. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you next time.